Hi Vignesh, how are you?
Fine. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you for giving me the wonderful opportunity to take part in the interview round.
So Vignesh, tell us about yourself.
I'm VIGNESHWARAN Subramani from India. I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering with high good distinction. I did an internship in a nuclear power plant in Bhavani, which is one of the fast breeder reactor in India. I've been trained there for 5 days and I asked to submit a report on recycled water cycle management. During the time, I got a real lifetime experience in industry. This helps me a lot in finding a job. Apart from academics, I was good in sports as well as I've been the captain of college football team and a cricketer in all-round cricketer. I've been gone for various levels of tournaments in cricket as well as in football. During my bachelor's, I was more passionate about creating designs for industrial products as well as machine design. This helps me in triggering to do a course in master and degree in new product development, which ultimately helps in finding a job in one of the top companies in India. The company that work in India is Aegis India Private Limited. It's one of the top companies for providing designs for client companies like Ford, Nissan, Hyundai, etc. I've been worked as a design engineer for past 1.5 years there. During that time, it's a golden time for me because I've been exposed to different projects in all disciplines of mechanical engineering and also find space to interact with customers as well as to meet the people all over the world. After that, to enhance my focus on research side, I plan to do masters abroad. I choose University of Wollongong as my destination university. I joined University of Wollongong for doing masters in mechanical engineering. I was awarded Bradman Scholarship by University of Wollongong for excellence in cricket as well as in academics. And I have to thank University of Wollongong for providing me wonderful opportunity as well as a role of ambassador for the University of Wollongong for the foreign collaboration between India and Australia. In future, or in my dream is to develop a product in medical field that should meet the needs of the people.
Thank you. So give us an example of a time when you saw the opportunity to make a process situation better or more efficient. What did you do and what was the outcome?
Yeah. During my role as a design engineering company, our company got a project from a client company called Mera Group of Companies from Canada. Mera Group of Companies from Canada is one of the top company in Canada for extracting milk from soybeans, and it's one of the famous food production company in the world. The need for them is to design a entire food production plant within a truck because they want to reach all the interiors of the Canadian part. The problem is the transport, so they came with an ultimate design of producing a entire food plant within the truck. The project came for us, and I have been given the responsibility of delivering a design for piping and wiring for the entire food production plant in the project. And from this, I've been going through several stages of process of learning how to handle the projects as well as how to deliver the projects. During the project, I've been also given the additional responsibility for interacting with the customers overseas through virtual meeting, which helps me in improve my communication skills as well as. During the project, we have provided more designs or prototypes for the company, and one of the prototypes are accepted by the client company. After that, we proceed together the process. At the end, I have submitted a good design, which is more in reducing the cost of the product as well as it meets the Canadian standard as well. Apart from this, our company got a new project from the same company, which helps me a lot.
Thank you. This job requires you to be highly organized and manage a large workload independently. Can you tell me about a time where you needed to manage your own time while it's meeting a tight deadline?
Yeah, of course. As we all know that engineering service companies are more focused on time-related roles because they want to submit the projects within the deadlines to meet the needs of the customer. Our company that I worked, Aegis India, is one of the top companies in the India for delivering the projects within the time. The role that I got from this is as a junior engineer in my company, where I've been given work from different projects at a time. So planning is one of the most important thing to complete the project within the deadline. So I've been using different tools or softwares to handle this situation. I use Gantt chart as one of the tool for time management. I used to organize all these times and projects in a order manner, or like in priority, which helps me in organizing the works and delivering the project at the right time. During one of my projects, there has been an issue came regarding the new design or prototype that we have to change within the deadline. So I have been given responsibility to change the time within, and I proceed this situation. And another important thing is like the time difference, because most of the projects that we got from our project is through overseas. So time difference is plays a very important role in our project. So we have to deliver projects within the time based on their time limit. So from this, I learned a lot about time management skills as well as how to organize the things and problem solving skills.
Thank you. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I have questions. As I know that GST is one of the leading company in the world for solving problems in all disciplines of engineering field. I have questions regarding that. Yes, as a graduate engineer role, whether I have an opportunity to work in different fields, example like as a design engineer as well as in a environmental or sustainable energy, where I can able to increase my career growth as well as to achieve my goal successfully. Thank you.
Thank you.